the best way to make passive income from home. Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and share. Hey, let's dive right in. There's several ways to make passive income, but if you don't know what passive income is, it's where you're doing a minimal amount of work and getting paid for it. You know, a lot of people, you can do vending machines to make passive income. That's good money. You can own maybe a laundromat or, some of these other things if you just want something where you do minimal amount of work and make money. But the best thing to do and easiest to get into is affiliate marketing. That's what I like. That's what I do. And to me, affiliate marketing, if you don't know what that is, it's basically you're selling other people's products. So you're not dealing with customer service. You're not dealing with shipping or returns. You sell something, they'll give you a unique link. You take that link and you can post it. You can do email campaigns. You can do social media and all that stuff. You can post a link on whatever product it is. Then once it sells, then you get a commission check. That's affiliate marketing, basically in a nutshell. But in order to get to passive income, you got to put the work up front in order to where you're putting the minimum amount of work in later on. So in other words, you put the time in up front, you get everything set up, then it just kind of goes. Then after that, all you're doing is putting the minimum amount of work in every day to keep it going, check it, maybe make changes to it, and that kind of stuff. But passive income, there's a lot of things out there. Like I said, you could do vending machines. You can own like car washes, the coin ones, where basically all you're doing is going by there a couple times a week, making sure everything's full. Same thing with a vending machine. You go to some of these big box stores like Costco, Sam's, whatever's in your area. You buy the stuff, you fill it up, you collect the money, take it to the bank. Very little effort, and but that's basically called passive income. It's just a minimum amount of work in order to get paid. So just think about that for a second. But now, like I said, in order to have passive income with affiliate marketing, you got to put a little bit of work in at the beginning in order to be able to make money while you sleep. Because you're not making money until you're making money when you're not doing nothing. That's when you know you're making passive income. But in order to do that, first of all, you may be watching a lot of stuff on YouTube and some of these other social media sites about how to make passive income or how to do affiliate marketing. And you're listening probably so-called gurus, they call themselves, and they're telling you can make, $1,000, $10,000 a month. Well, if I was you, I'd kind of stay away from them because they're not telling you squat on what you really need to know. What you really need to know is, first of all, they're not going to talk to you about email campaign. They're not going to talk to you about a funnel. They're probably not going to talk to you how to do ads on social media where you're not getting banned, because, you can get banned on social media, especially if you're trying to run a business for, bare minimum. I mean, they're real picky, but you need to know the proper way to doing it. So you're not having problems. You're not getting banned, but you're moving forward, especially Google. Google will get you for nothing hardly. So you got to be careful. But we show you how to do all that where you stay out of trouble, you stay in the money, and that's what you want to know. Because if you come with us, you sign up, not only will you get an advisor and a mentor, but with both of them, you're going to make twice the amount of money that you would if you were trying to do it on your own. Because the biggest problem with affiliate marketing is people think they watch these gurus and they say, hey, they're making it sound easy. Well, it's not hard, but it's not easy. But like I said, you need the right training. You need somebody to help you along the way. We got guys and gals been doing this for years. And are already making 6-7 figures. So they already know what works, what doesn't work, and what would be best for you as you going forward. And maybe, you have an idea what you want to do, or maybe you have a hobby that you like to expand on and sell it. It could be anything. But it doesn't matter, because once we show you how to do this, you can promote anything. Doesn't matter if you want to promote it from Amazon, Walmart, or do your own thing. It doesn't matter. Once you know how to do funnels, email campaign, how to do stuff on social media without being banned, it's no problem. You can do anything. But the key is, making sure that you do it correctly. And a lot of gurus ain't going to tell you, about, setting up that email campaign, how to write, because you need to, but, you need to be able to write a little bit of email. We can help you with that. Plus, there's like Fiverr and these other companies that, that charge minimum, $15, and you can get all that stuff written. And if you go with Aweber, to do some of your email stuff, and I can leave the link down below, they already have basically cut and paste emails. All you got to do is fill in your information, templates basically, to help you get started. And because that's what you want. You want to be able to get ahead, and while you're learning, you can still be making money. You may have a 9-to-5 job, so you might not have, a lot of time. You may only have 2 or 3 hours, but hey, it's not a problem. That's perfect. We can get you going with that. Or maybe you're a stay-home mom, and once you take the kids to school, you got plenty of time. You got a good 3 hours, to do stuff. That's perfect too. And that goes for stay-home, dads too. Or even if you're a college student, and you're looking to make some extra money, hey, this is the way to do it, because you can do it in your spare time. But if you're interested in passive income and affiliate marketing, hey, check out the link in the description. And if we can help you, we would love to. We want to see you succeed. And but just remember, if you sign up, just remember, we need a good working number and a good working email that you check, because we'll be in contact within 24 hours, and we're going to help you get this ball going. So just keep in mind, if you decide to go this route, that it's we want a good number and a good email. So we want to be able to contact you, and let's get started, because the sooner you get started, the sooner you're going to making money. Especially these days with inflation and everything so high, everybody can use extra, $1,000 or a couple $100 these days. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that like button. And I'll see you next week.